Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe out there. It has been a pretty crazy couple of days in the crypto market, especially with XRP and Ripple. In this case with the SEC, it's unbelievable. Let's get straight into some updates today about the market. Thank you very much to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. If you're new, smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and yes, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. Come along this incredible journey. Everything is just about to go crazy. I can really feel it, especially now that we're coming out of this, all these memos and unsealing of documents, especially with this Ripple lawsuit. It's going to be crazy. Anyway, let's get straight into it. Please give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through. It would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people. And if you're new, smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification again. Also, little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence. It's very important with this stuff. I do not want to see anyone get financially hurt. Do not take what I say in these videos as financial advice. All right, let's get straight into it now that the formalities are out of the way. This is from John Deaton, the XRP legend lawyer attorney, representing 60+ thousand XRP holders in the United States. Have a read of this. This is in relation to the SEC not handing over emails in relation to the Hinman speech, and a lot more of like 63 emails, internal documents. If they refuse to hand that over, have a read of this. If the judge decides the documents, SEC, must be produced and the SEC exhausted its appeals, it could move to dismiss the case. Ripple could ask that it would be prejudiced and ask for reimbursement of attorney fees, meaning that it would be dismissed and they would get all their money back for all these legal fees, which I'd assume would be in the millions of dollars, to be quite honest. I filed to join the case so that I could seek relief if this happens. Obviously, 93% of you have said bullish. That is incredible as well, and this is basically, you can't make this up, and this is the truth. Undisputed facts timeline, right? 2012, Perkins Coie, the same law firm that helped write Hinman's Ether Free Pass speech, informed Chris Larsen, Ripple Credits, aka XRP, is not a security. You can't make that up. It's straight up. Unbelievable. Let's go into the market today because it is quiet at the moment. Obviously, Bitcoin is down 4%. I'm not really worried because it is Sunday in the United States and around the rest of the world. It is Monday morning here in Australia. And yes, these prices are in Australian dollars. There is a referral link to CoinSpot below. You can get $10 in Bitcoin. Please do your own research though. But let's have a quick look at this. Bitcoin sitting at $54,000, Ethereum $3,700. You've got BNB at $544. That is down 4%. XRP is $1.10 right now. I think we're going to see some pretty crazy stuff coming out of this case. And yeah, if it does get dismissed or whatever it happens, literally it's moved straight into Ripple's court now. It's their game over the SEC. I think the SEC is fighting a losing battle here, and they know it. They're just delaying the inevitable. XRP is not a security. It's clearly indicated in so many memos and legal analysis right here. It's just unbelievable to think that this case is still ongoing. Anyway, let's have a look at the other prices. Cardano is $1.33. Solana's 130, up 0.93%. Luna 71. AVAX 110. Doge is at 19 cents. Yes, Elon Musk has put out another tweet saying that people could pay to charge their Tesla cars with Dogecoin. Pretty interesting. DOT is at $24. You've got Shiba Inu's down 6.98%. Matic at $2.15. Crow as well is 57 cents. Cosmos $37. Link 20. Tron is at 8 cents. I am starting to look at Tron as well, especially now I can stake that on CoinSpot. Near Protocol $13. You've got Algo at $1.20. Mana at $3.84. Good entry point. Stellar XLM 20 cents, 27 cents. I'm very bullish on that. Phantom FTM $2.47. Hedera's at 30 cents as well. I'm still very bullish on that because it is very undervalued. Keep scrolling down here. Sandbox $4.53. You've got Axie Infinity at $74. Now that is down nearly 4%. I am considering staking on CoinSpot, and I know Binance allows you to get 100% APY, but I'm not too sure about Binance. I'll have to look into it if you have to lock it up. If you know, let me know in the comments below. VeChain at 7 cents right now. Theta $4.22. You've got Aave at 195. Harmony One, I am holding that obviously at 21 cents. Gala's at 35 cents right now. Neo $33. You got Quant at 154. Keep scrolling down here, guys. Obviously, you've got Rose at 34 cents and XDC at 7 cents. Now, that is incredibly cheap for what it's made for, guys. Really, it's unbelievable. Now, straight to the news. Obviously, you've got crypto bill incoming. Russia's finance ministry kicks off public comment period, guys. So the Ministry of Finance is obviously in Russia. He has officially indicated that work on the country's cryptocurrency regulation bill, filing the first public notice to the federal legal portal. Russia's finance ministry on Thursday filed 2 development notices announcing the start of the process, developing a legal framework for activities related to transactions with digital currencies. So this is incredible. I also know for a fact that Mr. Joe Biden's crypto bill is coming out this week, the regulation. So let's see what happens with that. Now, just in relation to this case, I know I talk a lot about it on this channel because I'm really bullish on XRP. I know the utility of the project. I know what it's been built for, and I'm sure everyone out there knows what it's actually been made for, which is global trade, on-demand liquidity, replacing SWIFT. There is a significant amount of money that will flow through this project, especially now that this case is moving towards Ripple's favor, which is awesome. But there's some big updates coming, guys. The next ruling will be the biggest decision in the Ripple case. If Judge Netburn ultimately rules that the emails must be turned over, it's huge, said John Deaton. I'm not going to go into all of this, guys. But again, Judge Netburn on the motion for reconsideration will be the biggest decision in the Ripple case. I say I don't believe the motion to strike fair notice defense is a significant one because the judge isn't deciding whether Ripple had fair notice, but only whether it can argue it, he said. The reconsideration for motion relates to 63 emails containing drafts, comments regarding Hinman. Ethereum is no longer security speech. The final version of the speech discusses both Bitcoin and Ether. The final version does not refer any mention XRP. XRP consistently battled Ethereum for the number 2 crypto behind Bitcoin in January 2018. I think we could see that flip to XRP very soon. 6 months before Hinman's speech, XRP hit an all-time high above $3, making it the world's second largest cryptocurrency. I believe we will see that again. What are the chances of XRP not being raised at all in any of these 63 emails? What are the chances that the least one person in the email chain brought up XRP? One person in the email chain could posed as very reasonable question, such as what is about XRP. Once someone understands how Ethereum was created and utilized and how XRP was created and utilized, it becomes very logical to ask. For example, attorney Wendy Moore, a partner of Perkins Coie, the people that did the analysis of XRP back in the day in 2012, a law firm very knowledgeable on both Ethereum and XRP, asked that very question. To be blunt, once you understand that both Ethereum and XRP, it is impossible not to ask the question. Joseph Grundfest, who helped Ethereum founders explain this to the SEC back on 17th of December 2020, letter, the Perkins and Coie lawyers who advised both platforms raised the same question. It's fair to assume that XRP was brought up in one of those emails. We know that on June 13th, 2018, a memo analyzing WXRP was not a security. Was a security, had been completed, did not recommend enforcement, If true, the mere fact that XRP was mentioned in the email is exculpatory, guys. And I looked this up before just to show you evidence favorable to the defendant in a criminal trial, which clears or tends to clear the defendant guilt. There you go, self-explanatory here, guys. If Judge Netburn ultimately rules that the emails must be turned over, it is huge. Don't forget, even if the SEC persuades her that the emails are covered under the deliberative process privilege, she can still pierce the privilege and order documents produced. If she rules emails are privileged but orders the SEC to produce them, it means XRP is referred to and or the evidence is needed exculpatory there. If the judge believes the evidence is indeed X there, and Ripple has no other means of obtaining the evidence, she will pierce the privilege, meaning she can access those documents and those emails, which is going to be very interesting, guys. Keep an eye on this because there's some big stuff coming with this case. We're going to see some pretty crazy stuff here. $1.7 million in Ethereum stolen from OpenSea users, the NFT marketplace investigates. This is pretty scary stuff. I know for a fact that when you're on OpenSea, you have to connect your wallet. Please just log out of it, and there's some security settings there where you can log out immediately, like log out of your MetaMask wallet. Don't leave it logged in onto OpenSea or any exchange, or if you're doing staking, make sure you log out of your MetaMask wallet. That's very important. You need to do that. Just see what happens here. I wouldn't trade anything on OpenSea for the moment, at least for the next couple of days until they resolve this issue. Cryptometer.io, you've got in the last day, Solana and Axie Infinity have been the most popular. And in the last hour, guys, basically Cardano. People are buying up Cardano. And again, I'm very bullish on Cardano. I know there's a lot of people out there that don't like it and they hate it. They love it or they hate it, either one. But there's some pretty incredible stuff here, guys. So the Cardano network staking infrastructure, the staking procedure itself might be keeping Cardano ahead of its participation. According to the latest data from cryptocurrency exchange Kraken, 70% of total supply of Cardano's native token ADA is now being staked, valued at around $26.3 billion, which is insane. The world's first cryptocurrency Bitcoin was envisioned to intend the use of proof of work mechanism for transactions to be completed. It became clear that this was not sustainable for the environment long run. As a result, the majority of the newer blockchains have chosen proof of stake, e.g. Cardano consensus mechanism, which allows members to participate in the validation process while earning few additional dollars on the side. Cardano is rushing ahead. Yes, they are, guys. They're just adding more and more to this project. I think it's incredibly undervalued, and definitely keep your eye on Cardano. Some other stuff here, guys, in relation to 10 cryptocurrencies you should keep an eye on that are under a penny right now. You've got XRP, Cardano, you've got Dogecoin, you've also got Shiba Inu, Crow, Crypto.com, Tron, Algorand, I'm definitely bullish on, Stellar XLM, Hedera, and of course my other favorite, which is VeChain, guys, ranked among the top 50 cryptocurrencies. VeChain is a network working in the field of decentralized data sharing. VeChain claims it has use on various sectors, including energy and even SDGs. So again, I'm very bullish on VeChain. Let's go into Twitter, have a quick look at this. You've got James Rule, XRP. Yes, XRP is not a security. It is stated in this email right here. Keep going down. Crypto whales accumulate $708 million in XRP. Now, this is another tweet from Crypto Bull. You've got in 2017, XRP sat at 20 cents until the end of November. At the end of December, the price was $2.50. That is an increase by 12.5. I believe that we'll see a repeat, but at this time, 80 cents to $10 within the month. I agree with that statement 100%. These are tweets obviously going over the XRP Ripple case from John Deaton. Have a look at these tweets on my Twitter page. 3 years ago, $50 million was moved in 3 seconds for a fee of 30 cents. That is incredible using XRP. Neither Bitcoin's turtle speed or Ethereum's gas fees can compete with this. I don't even want to think about the gas fees with that. It'd be just ridiculous. This is very interesting. Thank you, CoinsKid, for this one, guys. This is basically, everyone is expecting a huge crash in the markets. This is a history of market crashes. Obviously, you've got all of this stuff right here going back to 1940, all the way up to Feb 2020. Obviously, you know, the situation that we've all gone through. So this is very fascinating. Go and have a look at this. This is where everything was, you know, crashing at the time. You've got Elon Musk boosting Dogecoin here, adopting the with announcement of customers can pay Doge at upcoming Tesla futuristic diner here and drive-in theater. That's going to be interesting. The state of California has introduced a bill to make Bitcoin legal tender. I don't know if that's true or not. I'm going to have a look at that, guys. Kevin O'Leary, Bitcoin is not just a coin or currency. It is software. He is very particular about the way he describes cryptos as software. Institutions like to criticize me for investing in Bitcoin, but how I see it, if you are holding big positions in companies like Microsoft or Yahoo, it's all the same thing. That is so true. And again, this is where he's saying that Bitcoin can hit $300,000 once institutions pour in money into this, guys. So again, unbelievable. You've got Trust Wallet now supports 50 plus blockchains. That's incredible. Just bought more Ripple credits, referring to XRP. And a dormant account holding Ethereum, 1,947 Ethereum, just has awoken and been activated after 6.5 years. That is a value of $5.1 million USD. That's incredible as well. Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 27 at the moment. And obviously Ripple just keeps putting out these really awesome tweets in relation to payment systems and changing the future, which is incredible as well. And Michael Saylor, 21 million Bitcoin, straightforward. Let's have a look at the overall crypto market today, guys. It is down because it is, again, Monday morning, Sunday around the rest of the world. 1.7 trillion, $65 billion in volume, 41% BTC, 18% Ethereum. I think we can see this in the future, that XRP flips Ethereum. And if the SEC goes after Ethereum for unregistered securities, so, you know, obviously they raise capital through an ICO. It's going to be very interesting to see what happens there. Obviously, you know, everything's in the red at the moment, which is some great buying opportunities. The top gainers are Mina, Solana. You've got Pax, Trust, or True USD, Terra, Cardano's down, Gala, Tezos, Harmony One, Great buying opportunities. Just going to have a quick scroll through my portfolio. Now I'm going to open it here. Bitcoin sitting at 38,000 US dollars right now. It is down 0.81% today, which I'm not too worried about. My one is XRP at 77 cents. I think there's some incredible buying opportunities right now. And again, it's incredibly undervalued. Been very bullish with this news coming out. And I think we're going to see some pretty crazy stuff. Now, if you just go to the last year, it's had a 36% return. All time, 14,500% return. So I tend to look out, zoom out when all this stuff happens. Obviously, the other ones I'm bullish on as well is Cardano at 93 cents USD right now. It's had a return of nearly 3,500%. That is just incredible. Very bullish. Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Matic, Tron, Near Protocol, Decentraland, Stellar XLM is incredibly undervalued at 19 cents as well. 7,000% return. Can't complain about that. Hedera, another one, guys, is at 21 cents. It's had 147% return. I think we're going to see some pretty crazy stuff this year. Sandbox, VeChain is another one, guys, at 4 cents USD. 268% return on all time. Theta, BTT, The Graph, Harmony One, Gala Games, Neo, Amp, Theta Fuel, Oasis Rose. Ecomi is another one that has been pumping today, which is really nice. 622% return. You've got Holochain, XDC is another one at 5 cents, 1400% return. You've got Anchor, Ravane, Seacoin, Telcoin, Nervos Network, MetaHero. I am holding that now on CoinSpot, which is nice. Superfarm, Digibyte, Winlink, XYO, UFO Gaming, Reserve Rights, Constellation DAG, Reef, VThor, Electronium, Proton XPR. Veracity is one that is definitely a sleeper. It's had a 2,200% return. You've got Star Atlas, Kin, Gas, Acropolis, Ubix Network. Olympus DAO, I think, is a rug pull, and Pitbull is just a gamble for me. That's pretty much it for the market today. Just wanted to give you guys an update. So let me know in the comments below, and we'll talk about it, all right? Stay safe, guys. Peace, bye.